Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a bow. This is going to be a quick, simple bow. What I'm doing is I'm using some scrapped ribbon. What you want to do is usually I pick out an even number of ribbon, either 4 or 6. It's up to you. And you can judge that you're going to use about a yard each of the ribbons that you choose. A little more, a little less, depends on how big you make your bow. Okay, so what I'm going to do is start out, I like to start out with my darker colors. This is just personal preference. You don't have to do it. There is no wrong way to make your bow. Okay, so what I have is an easy bow maker. I can provide the link if you'd like to get one. It just makes it easier on old hands or young children who want to try and make bows. You don't have to hold the bow. It holds it for you. So when I make a bow, I'm going to start out with a 10-inch tail, and I'm going to pinch it. Okay, 10-inch tail, pinch, and twist. Put it in the bow maker. So now you have the right side up for the tail, and the loop is the wrong side. And what you're going to do is you're going to loop this around. Most of my bows are 6 to 7 inches. That's how I make the first loop. Okay, so we're going to do this one at about 6. Okay, so we put it between it. We're going to scrunch it down and twist it again. So that gives us our right side up. And now on this side, we have the wrong side. All right, do the same thing. Put the bow loop in there, scrunch it down. And this time, we do not want to twist. Let me make that bow even. Okay, what we're going to do is pull this one up. So as you look at it, your ribbon is going to make an X. And this is pretty much how you're going to do each layer. Okay, see how my layers made an X? All right, let's do another, let's do a print. I'm going to do this cute little bumblebee print. Now I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to reverse it. Since this is directional ribbon, I'm going to start at the bottom. Okay, so I start with a 10-inch tail, pinch it, twist it, and this time I'm going to start on this side. That way my bees are going in the right direction. Okay, so I'm going to make a loop. Now for the second layer, I usually make 1 or 2 fingers smaller than the one below it. Okay, scrunch it and twist it. So our right side is up, wrong side is up. Make sure that twist is good and tight. Make our loop. Again, make sure the loop is 2 fingers smaller. Scrunch it. And this time, remember, we don't twist it because we want the right side up. Okay? So now what we're going to do is make sure those loops are the same size. And we're going to cut our tail. Okay? You see how we've got the 2 crosses made now? Can you see it? We've got a cross with a long tail and a short tail on this side. Long tail, short tail on that side. Okay. And you just continue layering your ribbon. Let's do another print. This is another directional ribbon. Directional means that the print goes one way. Okay, so to make sure that our bees are flying the same direction, we're going to have to do it backwards again. So we are going to start with the short tail, pinch and twist it. We put it inside. We're going to make our loop. Again, 2 fingers shorter than the one before it. Put it in there. Scrunch it, twist it. Going to do the loop. Scrunch it, don't twist it this time. And then come down with our tail. And there we go. Okay, see how our layers are building up? Okay, this time I'm going to do just a black and white plaid. Or do I want to use the yellow? I think I'm going to use the yellow. Okay, so we're going to go on this side. We're going to pinch and twist. Put it in there. Make it 2 fingers smaller. Pinch and twist it. Two fingers smaller. Let's make sure our loops are the same size. And bring it on down. Okay, so now we've got 2 tails, 2 tails. We've got 4 loops and 4 loops. Okay, that's why I like to do it in even numbers, is so that I have the same amount of tails on both sides. All right, I want to add another solid color on this side. So I'm going to add this one. You do not have to go by size. You can mix it up and do whatever you want. Nothing says that you have to be exact when doing your bows. The only thing you need to make sure is that you pinch, twist, and your loops are in a uniformed order. That means they go down, they go down smaller with each layer. Okay. Pinch and twist it. Pinch and twist it. And this one's going to go up. Okay. Now for my final one, see, because I've got 3 on this side and only 2 on this side, and that's okay, but for me it bothers me. It makes me crazy. I need to have evens. So I'm going to put this last one on there. Now some people put this, some people put the small 1 inch or 7/8. Do what you want. This is your creation. Make it the way you want to visualize it. Okay? So I pinch it, twist it. I put it on this side. Now this is a nice double-sided bow, so it's going to look good. Pinch it, twist it. Pinch it. Now remember, this is the tail, so we don't twist it. Here we go. All right. Now that you have your bow done, you can either use a zip tie, you can use floral wire, or you can use a chenille stem. I use zip ties. What I do is I put my thumb on the top, turn it on its side, and then I gather everything up. Can you see how I'm doing that? Everything up. Put my fingers on the bottom, and you hold it gently. You don't want to smash it. You don't want to cause your stack to collapse. Then I put my zip tie between my fingers. Can you see how it's going between my fingers there? Going up and around and to the back. Now always make the head of the zip tie at the bottom, just to make sure it doesn't scratch anything. I come to this side to make sure nothing has moved. Everything is where I want it to be. Nice and centered. Okay, once I get it that way, I'm going to cinch that zip tie as high as I can and watch the ribbon perk up. See how the ribbon perked up? That's how you know you have it good and tight, is that your bows or your loops will automatically perk up. Okay, now I will go ahead and cut this. And I add a dollop of glue on that cut edge, just so it's not sharp and doesn't scratch my customer's door. Give that a minute to cool and set. And that's basically, that is a basic bow. Now I'll do some other tutorials on making other bow sizes and shapes for you. After I'm happy with everything, I will come through and trim my tails. You can either dovetail or you can cut them at a slant, whichever you prefer. And let's get this one over here. I want that one more towards the center. Now, this is why we use wired ribbon. Don't be afraid to push those tails where you want them. That's one of the reasons we used wired ribbon. We also use a higher quality ribbon so that our loops, see how our loops stay fluffed once I quit smashing them? Okay, and now we come down here and we're going to cut our tails. They don't have to be the same length. You can make them different lengths. You can dovetail them. You can cut them at an angle like I am. Just remember, you're the designer and do it whatever goes with your design. Cut all this. There's our bow. Now for a tie, what I'll do is I'll take a coordinating ribbon or a coordinating chenille stem, and I'll thread it through here and through the bottom and come out the back so that the customer has a way to attach it. And there you go. That's a simple bow. Please check out my other tutorials on how to clean wreaths. I've got a few on how to store wreaths and how to set up how to attach signs and wreath attachments. Thank you so very much, and you all have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.